Are you searching for a great home business? If so, stick with me and I'll share how you can make more money faster, right from home or anywhere else you want to be with a simple online home business and how to do it in just minutes a day, even if you are a beginner. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you again today from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondack Mountains. I've been in home business full time since 2002. I love both the money and the time freedom it gives us. Whether you are looking to replace a job or just make a few hundred extra dollars a month, what I do might be just right for you also. This home business has been my number one recommended income stream for over 4 years now. Anyone can do it, no experience is needed. And before we get going, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I post several new videos every week about home business. I know you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So this is by far the simplest home business I know of. Anyone can make significant money, even with no prior experience. It's an affiliate marketing business. It's all done online. Affiliate marketing is where you sell someone else's product or service and get paid. It's a great home business. There are no products to handle, no customer service issues, no phone calls to make, and it doesn't take any special skills. You can do this from just about anywhere. You do not need to be home to do it. I even do it while we're out sailing. All you need is an internet connection. We use an automated AI-powered marketing system to promote 4 high-demand digital products. They range in price from $10 to $1,000. The company pays us 80% commissions. You can make as much as $800 on a single sale. Plus, we get paid long-term recurring income too. Imagine still getting paid months from now for the sales your system makes each day. You can get paid every Thursday by direct deposit. There are no long commission holds, no waiting for a check in the mail. In this home business, you can start making money fast. Many new people make money their first day by following our unique Fast Start training. There is no setup required, no big learning curve. We have a terrific training website with dozens of how-to videos. We hold daily live training calls on Zoom, led by industry leaders, and they are recorded to watch later if you can't be there live. Plus, we have our own social media app where we share ideas and answer questions. You will love being part of our online community. Training, support, and coaching are what we do best. You will never wonder what to do next. You will never feel alone or lost. To learn more about this home business and to start making more money today, take our online tour at makemorefaster.com. I know you'll find it's easier than you think.